Hi, welcome to Jotform. My name is George, and today I'm going to show you how to create a contact form in WordPress. So let's jump over to Jotform and let's get started. Now we're going to build a brand new contact form and we're going to embed it on our WordPress site. This is going to be a really simple contact form, but if you'd like to view a more in-depth video of how to create a contact form, that link will be in the description. So let's head on over and create a form. And we're going to select one from scratch, but you can use a template also. We're going to select classic form, and again, you can use card form if you like. So in this case, I'm going to select some basic elements to drag in this contact form. So in this case, we're just going to ask for the name, for the phone number, and the email address. And once you've built it to your liking, we're going to head on over to publish, and we're going to head on over to the embed section. This is the code that we're going to need. So we're going to copy this code. And we're going to head on over to our WordPress site. Now, this is a basic WordPress site that we just installed. It's using Gutenberg, but this is compatible with any theme that you'd like to use. So let's head on over to page, and we're going to head on over to our contact page that we've created. So let's edit that. And we're going to add a brand new element. So in this case, we're using Gutenberg, but like I said before, this is compatible with any theme that you'd like to use. And in this case, we're going to select the custom HTML code, and we're going to paste the code that we got on Jotform. So once we've created that, we're going to update, and we're going to preview our page. This is our contact form that we've just created. It's super easy to embed it on our site. Now we're going to use the Jotform plugin so we can embed any form that we've created. So let's head on over to our WordPress site. We're going to head on over to plugins, add new, search for Jotform. Once it's selected right here, you install it and activate it, and now you have access to Jotform. So let's head on over to pages, click on the contact page that we've created, and let's head on over to one of the Gutenberg blocks, and let's create a brand new block by clicking on the plus button. We're going to select the classic block, and once we're on the classic block, we have the Jotform icon right here. So if we click on it, it's going to open up the forms that we have. Now, if you haven't logged in previously, it will ask you to log in. So now we can select our form that we've created for WordPress. So let's click on this one and continue. So now it automatically embedded the code. So let's update this page and let's go ahead and preview it. And there we go. Our form is right here, the one that we created on Jotform. So it could be any form that you've previously created and embed it right here really easily with the Jotform plugin. And that's how you install your form on WordPress. Remember, this is Jotform, and we thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.